Playing with emotion is much simpler than you probably think. It's the same kind of emotion that makes you cry during a movie. And I'm going to show you right now how you can do this on the piano. My name is Cohen, and I'm a film composer, and I teach the color block method, which is your free roadmap to piano freedom. I've played multiple times in a Michelin star restaurant, and the system that I created for myself allows me to just sit and play and improvise for hours without sheet music. I take a lot of inspiration from nature, and one of the best examples to understand musical emotion is the ocean. Think about a wave. It starts small and it grows and it reaches a peak and then it falls back down. So let's take a listen to this. You see what I'm doing? It goes from low to high. And don't worry, I will explain every step into detail so you can play with emotion. So the big question is, what actually goes from low to high? This is very important. We're only using two simple parameters to create a motion. Let's make this a small game. Try to guess which parameters I'm talking about. I'm doing it this way so it sticks better to your brain. So you have to guess first and then I will give you the answer. And if you like it this way, to help you hear music in a different way, hit the like button. It really helps the channel reach more piano players who want to play with freedom. So the answers are 1. Speed, and 2. Dynamics. So the key idea I want you to take from this video is that what really happens when we go from low to high, that's kind of the thing we're going to about to discover. What is there exactly between high and low? To make it even simpler, imagine a graph where speed is on the x-axis and dynamics is on the y-axis. And if you draw a diagonal line, that is the line you should stick to. How can I explain it better? So when you talk about sheet music, you can play with like different loudness and different speeds, and you are required to play at this different ways of playing the sheet music. But if you just want to sit down and play with emotion, then I recommend to only play soft and slow at the same time, and play loud and fast at the same time. So speed on the X and dynamics on the Y. If you read sheet music, you will notice that many pieces move across all this diagram. But if your goal is to improvise and play with emotion, using my method, it's best staying on one line, because everything else will distract you from playing beautifully. Soft and slow. And the magic is to gradually increase from low to high. So it doesn't matter what you're playing. Stick to that emotional arc that you are creating. So whether you're playing something complicated or very simple, I mean relatively simple compared to what I just played, and then slow down, you hear that is like creating some tension, because as a listener you think like, oh, what's going to happen? And then the next chord. Now imagine having a proven roadmap and possibly a mentor who did it before that will help you from unsure to confident on the piano. You can click the link below, because I'm going to open some spots to work with me directly, where you can learn how to improvise emotionally on the piano without sheet music. So if that's you, don't wait too long and book a call with me so we can find out how working together looks like. And that's it for today. Have a great day, and I look forward to meeting you.